Hi folks, Shane here, and welcome back to the How to Smoke Meats video tutorial series. Preserving flavor in your smoked meats is easy if you avoid the temptation of cutting into the meat right out of the smoker. Meat is 75% water, and when heated or smoked, the protein fibers shrink and dissolve, squeezing out the moisture. Allowing the meat to rest helps the contracted proteins relax and draw the moisture back into the dissolved proteins, effectively redistributing all that juicy flavor throughout the meat. If you cut into the meat too soon, all that juicy flavor leaves the meat. I usually let small cuts of meat like steaks and chicken thighs rest about 10 minutes. Larger cuts of meat 20 to 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature has reached about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of meat will continue to rise after it is removed from the smoker and is referred to as carryover cooking. The latent heat in the meat continues to move towards the center, increasing the internal temperature. If we do not account for this anticipated temperature increase, the meat will be overcooked and dry out, so adjust your temperature alarm accordingly. A small steak or chicken piece will rise about 3 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Lean cuts of meat can rise between 7 to 8 degrees Fahrenheit, and a large roast or turkey can rise 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, there you have it, folks. Avoid cutting into your smoked meats until after the rest period, and be sure to set your temperature alarm in anticipation of carryover cooking. See you in the next video.